By the end of this video, you will know how to join the TurboTax community and post a question. Start by opening your web browser and going to the TurboTax community website. Once the page loads, look for the option to sign in. Enter your Intuit account details and continue into the community. If you do not already have an Intuit account, choose the option to create one, then follow the prompts to set up your account and complete the verification process before moving on. Make sure you finish verification fully, since some community features may not be available until that step is done. After you are signed in, take a moment to look through the available topics on the site. You can browse by category if you want to see discussions related to a specific tax issue, product area, or filing situation. You can also use the search bar to enter a few words that describe your question. This is useful if you want to check whether someone has already posted the same issue and received an answer. If you find a matching post, you may be able to get the information you need without creating a new thread. If you still need help, select Ask a Question or Post a Question depending on the label shown on the page. This opens the form for a new community post. In the title field, enter a short and clear summary of your issue. Keep the wording specific enough that other community members can understand the topic right away. Next, move to the description box and type out your question in more detail. Include the relevant context that explains your situation, but keep personal and financial details out of the post. Focus on the facts that will help other people understand what you are trying to resolve. If there is a particular form, tax topic, or error message involved, mention that in general terms without adding any private account information. Once your question is written, choose the category or topic that fits it best. This helps place your post in the part of the community where the right people are more likely to see it. Before you publish, review everything you entered. Check that the title matches the issue, the description is accurate, and there is no sensitive information included, such as account details or personal financial data. When everything looks right, click Post or Submit to publish your question to the TurboTax community. After your post is live, return to the community later to check for replies. If someone asks a follow-up question, you can respond in the thread with more context. If you receive a reply that resolves the issue, you can mark that response as the solution, so it is easier to find later. Your TurboTax community account is joined, and your question is now posted.